Hi students, good morning. Today we are learning about shortcut keys. Last two lectures we learned with the alt option. Shortcut keys with the alt option. In this video lecture we understand about the shortcut keys with control option. Control plus A, control B, control C, control E for currencies, control G, I, L for creation window. Invoking the creation window whenever there is a alter is there or whenever there is a creating new ledgers, groups and stock items. So first we'll understand about the control A, which we are whenever we are creating the ledger accounts, whenever we are creating ledger accounts, we will creation of ledger account. Office stationery already created. Rent under indirect expenses. Simply place control A. Save. No need to go for enter Y like that. So it is shortened our task by providing the shortcut. Next option is control B, budget. Okay. I set budget for office expenses. I will open Tally. Ledger creations. Budgets already enabled through features. Accounts info, ledger, alter ledger, rent is there. Control B is available? Yes. So, whenever altering the ledger, we can see the budget amount by pressing Control B. Control B. Alter. And the rent. Press Alt B for look at the creation of budget for rent. Indirect expenses. You see already 48,000 was set as a budget. Then coming to the look at in rent, shop rent we set the budget of 36,000. Okay. That is regarding Control B for selecting the budgets. Next shortcut key is Control C, cost centers. So whenever I am creating any watch in inventory item, I need to categorize them into one category. I want to create a stock category item. For creation of stock category, the path will be like this. Gateway of Tally, accounts info, stock categories, create. Okay, here we have to create. But Directly I will create a stock category whenever I am creating the stock item. Data card. Here stock category is not applicable is there. What I want stock category. Primary is there. Control C. Control C. Look at here. Stock category creation. So accessory. Primary. Yes. Okay. Then stock item creation. Data card. Primary. See here accessory. Okay, here also we can use Alt C for creation now. So wherever we are, we can directly go to the stock category window by pressing Control C. Alt C is for creation of a particular item. Control C is to move to particular window. Okay. Then Alt E for currencies. I will create one stock accounts info. Ledger. Alt. Then machinery which I purchased and want to change. Control E. Right. But whenever we are creating the ledgers or whenever we are creating the groups, we can set the currency directly by selecting that. Here I created one more currency. Usually when I am creating the company, my currency is rupee, but I created the currency dollar. Okay. So I can set further bills, billings, Control B, budgets, Control E for currencies. Okay. Then coming to the GSLR for the directly moving to creation of group windows. We'll see here. I am at a ledger, but I want to go to group. Control G. Which group I would like to select? Current assets. Like that. Then I want to know about then I am at groups. Alter is there. Bank accounts is there. I am at bank account group. I want to go to students. This is control, not alt. Okay. Then Control L. Coming to the ledger. This is ledger. I want to know about a particular ledger. Directly I can move by pressing Control L for ledger. In same manner, stock item also. Okay, these are the shortcut keys. Now we will select a problem. One problem will select. This problem we will try to understand. Create a company. We'll create a company. Alt F3. Create company. Model 2 company. State I selected. Model 2 company is created. Right. So coming to the accounts info, ledgers, multiple, all items. So 38, roll number 38, opening balances we create under multi-ledger creation, and 37 transactions we pass voucher entry by using Alt-C. That is, simultaneously we create ledgers and we pass the vouchers. Bank, under bank accounts, the amount is 2 lakhs. Build furniture, under fixed assets, 10,000. Machinery, under fixed assets, 50,000. Buildings, under fixed assets, 1 lakh. Capital, under capital accounts, amount is 1,50,000. Cash we will enter in alter mode. Trade debtors, under sundry debtors account, 80,000. Trade creditors, under sundry creditors, opening balance 65,000. Bills payable, under current liabilities, amount is 10,000. Control A. I am using shortcut key for save control A. Right. You see whether these are saved or not. Display. See all are saved. Okay, directly we can go for entering the opening balance of cash 10,000 rupees. 5,000. Cash. Okay, this cash is in which currency? I want to change the currency of cash. Simply I can create a, see here I am alter mode. Okay, I am selecting the cash, but here currency is in rupees, rupee. But I want to change this one, so I want to create a new currency. Just simply press Ctrl E for selecting the currency. Okay, then alter cash, opening balance 5. Now voucher entries. Accounting vouchers. Paid to Ramesh by check. Ramesh account data to bank account. Alt C for creation of Ramesh account. Under sundry creditor. I pressed Control E for currency. Okay, only rupee currency is there. Alt C is available. And Ramesh amount is 10,000. Bank. Right. Next amount paid to Mahesh. Payment voucher only. Alt C. Mahesh. Sundry creditors. Directly I will press Control A. Mahesh. 25,000. Control B. Bank. Next receipt. We received a check from Rani. Receipt voucher. F6. Rani ledger is not available. Press Alt C. Change to sundry data. Press Control A for sale. Rani amount is 38,000. Received through check is nothing but bank. That. Next, received from Sarita. Alt C. Sarita. Directly press Control A. Amount is 50,000. Bank. Control A. Okay. Voucher entry we complete. Next shortcut key is we understand about Control A as well as Control E currency. Okay, now we will understand Control B budgets. Open any ledger here. Any ledger. Go for alter mode. Alter. Open any ledger. Sarita is Ramesh. Creditors. Trade creditor. Control B. Right. So I would like to create external data. Means outside when I am selling the goods to the outsiders, I should have to keep some limits. That's why I would like to create external data. So my external data budget, I am limiting them. Sales should be limited to so and so particular people. Create external. Control B. External data. Primary. Which period? Period of budget it is asking. Which group? Debtors group. Sundry debtors. Sundry debtors. Closing balances. So my external sales should not be more than 5 lakhs. That is group. Then in that group, 2 bad debtors are there. I am limiting them their sales. Amount will be Kiran. Mr. Ramesh. Ramesh is debtor. Rani. Rani. Closing balance. I should not sell her more than 1 lakh. Sarita will be 4 lakhs. Budget was created. We will try for one sales voucher. Rani. Control B. So budget is available. Budget option is available at the time of creation of ledger accounts. Altering the ledger accounts. That is control B. In same manner, control C is for selecting the cost category. Inventory info. Inventory info. Stock item. You see, I want to create stock category, then I have to go for stock categories, create like that. But when I am in stock items, creation, mobile phone. Here I want to open category, creation of stock category, press Alt, Control C. Stock category creation is open when I am in creation of stock group and stock items. Then coming to the currencies, select one, create one, ledger, changing the order, okay. Bank ledger, change, Control E, dollar, no, create, PNB. Okay, Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank account. I am creating Punjab National Bank, but Punjab National Bank is American branch. Then I want to create a dollar. Now change, create Punjab National Bank. under bank accounts. Control E. Here are options. Item. Now select this. So whenever we are creating the ledger and whenever we are altering the ledger, we can invoke the currency by pressing Control E. Group stock item ledgers will be opened for us whenever we are in creation of stock items. I want to go for stock groups. No need to come back and everything. Directly pressing the Control G. See, here I am. This is ledger. I want to open groups. Press Control G. Creation of stock groups. Whenever I am alter mode, bank accounts. I want to open creation of ledger account. This is alter window. Control L. I will open groups. Create is there. But I want to go for ledger creation. Ledger. By mistakenly I opened groups. Then I want to go for ledger. I simply press Alt. Control L. Okay, these are the shortcut keys which we learned today. Okay, students. So practice those windows while opening the windows. Try to note down these shortcut keys and practice them to better understanding and operation of the software for quick. Okay, students. Bye. We will come again with the next video. Again, shortcut keys. Okay, now wait for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to get the updates. Bye. Have a good day.